Hi, so now we're going to look at the list view, and I'm not going to go through any of the setups that I described to you in the previous email. What I've got here is just our normal story that we've set up, and if we just go to the view options, which I showed you previously, I'm writing here, this is a test of the list view. Then obviously we can now see that coming up and we can save that changes. So here in the list view, which we've got, here are just a few but simple but effective functionalities that we can use. I'm just going to quickly just show you them. So there I've just done it by category, so now all those blues are together. I'm just going to move this down here so you can see. If we're on descending or ascending, we can do it by name, so costs, so it kind of moves around like so. Undo that again. Have a look at I don't think we've got any cells in it at the moment, so you can just see how it all just switches around. What I'm going to do is just quickly go over onto this one, and this story here. This is a selection of stories. This is a public story actually that you can get in the SharpCloud. So you can see here I've got over 100 and odd stories, which are a selection of stories that I've created since 2008. So just to show you a little bit more by how we can use this at the moment, if I just group it by category, so it just now it puts it into order, so we can see by the organization, portfolio, roadmap. These are the different types that I have, maybe by, in this case, just by name. Okay, so now you can see this one here, which I've, as a little trick, I put the number 1 because it does it by numerical first and then letters. So if you ever want a specific item to come first, second or third, then just use the numbers. Here I've just picked on a title 1, 2, and I just put ... using SharpCloud, because I wanted that one to be first, so that it's an introduction by me, and a brief introduction about this story. So here, like you said, here again we've just got by start dates, and there could be other attributes. I don't have any other attributes in here at the moment, but again, you get the idea by just using the name or the start date to ascending or descending. One thing I did forget to share with you on the last one, and I'm just going to do it here, is the sizing of the items. So this is a slider bar, and it appears in all of the views that we're doing, and as you can see here, as I click upwards, so the size of the items increase. And clearly what that does then, you just use the scroll down bar to move that up and down. Okay, hope that makes sense, and I'll speak to you on the next one. Okay, thanks very much.